Galapagos rail sighted for the first time since Charles Darwin's 1835 visit, Floreana Island, Galapagos, May 8, 2025. In a moment of ecological triumph, a rare and elusive bird once recorded by Charles Darwin has made a remarkable return to Floreana Island, Ecuador, nearly 190 years after it was last seen in the wild there. The bird, known as the Galapagos rail, Lateralis spilenota, was observed and documented by Darwin in 1835 during his historic voyage aboard the HMS Beagle. This small, secretive, ground-dwelling bird, endemic to the Galapagos archipelago, had long been absent from Floreana due to the devastating impact of invasive species such as rats, cats, and goats that were introduced over the past 2 centuries. Its reappearance is directly linked to the ongoing Floreana Island Restoration Project, launched 2 years ago by a coalition of conservation organisations, including Island Conservation, the Charles Darwin Foundation, and the Galapagos National Park Directorate. The project aims to restore the island's natural habitat by eliminating invasive species and reintroducing native flora and fauna. During the most recent annual land bird monitoring expedition, researchers recorded the Galapagos rail in 3 separate locations across Floreana Island. These sightings included 6 acoustic detections, 2 visual confirmations, and 1 photograph, all within grassland habitats shaded by native guava trees, far from human settlements and agricultural zones. "This is not a chance encounter," said a spokesperson from the Charles Darwin Foundation. "We've been monitoring these areas for nearly a decade, and this is the first confirmed return of the Galapagos rail to Floreana. It's a sign that the ecosystem is healing. The Galapagos rail is a particularly vulnerable species due to its terrestrial lifestyle and need for dense, undisturbed vegetation. Although it is flightless and often elusive, it is known for its resilience.